Hey, what's going on, my friend Garrett here. Now, if you clicked on this video, chances are you're doing your research for the multiple income funnel. Now, maybe you've been seeing people posting about this on Facebook, or maybe you've been watching other YouTube videos, and you're smart enough to do your research. And maybe if you watch this specific video, you're a little bit skeptical. Maybe you think this is a scam. You're not sure if this is legit or not before you invest your hard-earned money. Well, listen, I've been there myself. I've been online the last 4 or 5 years, and many times I actually invest in my hard-earned money into something that wasn't legit, and I know the pain that you can experience by, blowing maybe your last paycheck on something that you're hoping is going to make you money. So what I want to do in this video is share with you my honest view on whether or not I think multiple income funnel is a scam or legit, and then my reasoning behind that. Okay, now before I dive into all that, what I want to share with you is there's going to be a link where you can actually check out more information on the multiple income funnel. It's going to be directly under this video. At any time, if you decide that, hey, this seems actually legit, I want to join, then you can go ahead and click the link under this video and start to go through the process. But the first thing I look for when I want to join a system or an opportunity is the creator, right? Is there a creator? A lot of these other, online, they have those scammy products and things like that aren't legit. They're scams. You don't even know who the creator of the system is. The thing I love actually about multiple income funnel is you know who the creator is, right? Mac Mills is the guy's name that actually created and is a part of this system. And if you look at his track record, which I recommend you do, you will find that for many, many years, he's had an incredible track record of producing valuable, long-standing systems, okay? Systems that are designed to generate you affiliate commissions passively. So when I knew that he was on board with multiple income funnel, that alleviated a lot of my worry, right? That alleviated a lot of my concerns on whether or not this was legit. Another thing you want to look at is, are you actually getting tangible value when you spend money? So again, multiple income funnel, if you don't know, is $49 a month to continue to use that system to help you grow your own online business. But when you invest your money, what are you getting access to, right? Is it valuable? Now, I did a video recently where I broke down the entire back office tour. I'll put a card on, and I'll also include a link directly below this video that you can click and check out all the value that you're going to actually get. But again, once I started to look into this and invested my own money into this to join, I started to realize that there's tremendous value, okay? So again, unlike those scams out there that you invest your hard-earned money and it's all outdated and there's no real value, with this, you're getting a working system, okay? If you imagine McDonald's, for example, if you want to own a McDonald's franchise, the fast food company, then rather than having to create all the recipes and figure out what cooking utensils you need and all that hard work, you just purchase the blueprint, the system of McDonald's. And if you send someone to the front of that, it's going to go through the same consistent process and spit out the same result over and over again. It is a system. So what the multiple income funnel is a working system that you send a lead or prospect through the front of your done-for-you funnel that they give you access to. They see the different videos inside, they set up their accounts in the different income streams, and they get a result, and until you get a result, which is affiliate commissions on the back end, okay? So it is a system. So are you getting value? Yes, okay? When you join the multiple income funnel, you're getting access to done-for-you funnels, capture pages, follow-up emails built in, advertisements that you can go ahead and post on a blog or a Facebook profile to start to generate sales. You're getting access to the entire sales videos that are inside. You're getting access to training, okay, Facebook groups for support. So it's not just like you have to join this, like those other scams online that are out there, and you're left stranded, you're left, in the dark, you don't know what to do. With the multiple income funnel, when you join, you're actually added to a massively successful and inspirational Facebook group as well. So everyone's going to be there for you. So all in all, I truly believe that this is legit. Again, the evidence is there. But what I want to do at the end of this video is just share with you some of the results of average everyday people that have partnered with this within the last few days and what results they've been able to experience, so you can see for yourself that this is a legit business that people are actually making money with. Okay, so I hopped on my computer real quick and I just want to share with you some of the results that, first off, I've been able to generate with this system. So you can see, again, this is a real legit system where you can make some good income. Now you can see right here, these are the amounts of the commission, and this is the date. Now the time of recording this, it is December 24th. Okay, you can see multiple different autopilot commissions flowing in. Okay, now these are just from the first income stream, which is either a $20 or $180 commission. And you can see that these are just flowing in. Now to date, just making, a Facebook post and doing a few YouTube videos, you can see that I generated $480. Okay, and I also want to hop into the Facebook group of the team and share with you some of the results of other people. Okay, Sam right here, you can see he said $200 last night. Now it's over $300 earned. Okay, absolutely incredible, right? If I scroll down, okay, Joshua, $468 in just a few short hours. And this is legit too, because these people, okay, you can actually, hover over their Facebook and you can see that these are real people, okay? Now, if I keep going, you're gonna see even more results. Okay, Paulo right here, $400 commission, $80 commission. Okay, Mac Mills, the creator, okay, sharing more success. Frazier here, boom, okay, made $180 commission while he was playing a video game. Okay, so I mean, totally passive. Once you just send some traffic to the front of your system, everything else is done for you. Okay, $80 right here. And again, I mean, I can just keep scrolling. This is just within 2 days of launching. So there we have it, my friend. I hope you now realize that the multiple income funnel is legit. There are scams out there, but again, after my 4 or 5 years of experience online, looking at this with a fine-tooth comb, seeing the track record of the creator, looking at the actual value you're getting, and all the testimonials of people that have actually been making money, real cold hard cash with this system. Again, the proof is in the pudding, and now it's in your hands. If you see a opportunity for yourself with this system, go down below to the link under this video, start to set up your account and access the different income streams so you can start to make money as soon as possible. Another thing to realize is once you join me underneath this video today, you're gonna get access to bonuses, including my own copy-paste ads you can use, step-by-step over-the-shoulder video training, and more, okay? So you don't wanna miss out on the thousands of dollars worth of bonuses when you do join under me today. Last but not least, if you have any questions about this system, be sure to reply under this YouTube video, the question, and I'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible so you can understand how it works and get the best results that you truly want. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you at the top. God bless.